Welcome to our automation testing channel. Today we'll talk about how to use Lighthouse in Playwright. Lighthouse is the open source automated tool and part of the Google Developer Tool Suite. Lighthouse performs serious audits on a web page. The impact on user experience. The speed it takes to load a page 75%. How it is find what I'm looking for 66%. How well the writer fills my screen 61%. How simple the site is to use 58%. How attractive the site looks 24%. Lighthouse is open source automated tool and part of the Google Developer Tool Suite. It is designed to improve the quality and performance of web pages by providing audits, insights, and diagnostic. Lighthouse can be used to test web pages against a set of best practices, performance metrics, and other guidelines to assess their overview quality and identify areas for improvement. The primary focus of Lighthouse is on web performance, accessibility, progressive web app accomplice, best practice, and search engine optimization factors. It generates comprehensive reports with actionable recommendations to help developers optimize their websites and create a better user experience for their visitors. Lighthouse performs a series of audits on the web page, stimulates real-world scenarios on the various devices and network conditions, and then generates a report with a score and detailed information on different aspects of the page. Some of the metrics it evaluates include page load speed, time to interactive, accessibility for use with disabilities, adherence to best practices, and PWA features like offline support and installation capabilities. It has become a valuable tool for web developers and website owners who want to ensure their sites are optimized, accessibility, and user-friendly. How to use Lighthouse in Playwright? First, need to install Playwright Lighthouse. Type this command in the terminal. Second, in the test script, put this in the head. One is require this one and special for the Chromium. Another one is require Playwright Lighthouse. We need to use this play audit. And launch Chromium browser and default like the arguments remote debugging pool give the 9222 this pool. And use report like await play audit report on a page. Set threshold. Performance set the 80% and accessibility set 90. You can change and you can set your score. And here is, you see, Play Auditor use this poll. This poll is the same thing, the same, this poll, show the same. Okay, let's look the code. Under test, I add a new script we call lighthouse.spec.js. This script. And we talked about it before, like the head, we add these two lines. One is use the Chromium, one is use the Play Audit. So need to put this constant for use this method. In the test description, we just gave the Lighthouse test, and the test we gave the two tests because I just want to show you how to use this one. I gave the two tests. One is go to the web page, go to this web page and test this Lighthouse metrics. And here you see we need first go to the page and then launch Chromium. We decide like a remote debugging pool, give this pool or other pool. And here is Play Auditor. So Play Auditor on the page threshold. First I set the performance 80 and accessibility is 85 and the pool is the same, this pool. This is go to this page we call the home page. Another test, go to the golf page. So this is a different URL. You see here is a page, so later we will use all of this page. And also launch Chromium. And this Chromium, we also define the remote debugging pool as this one. And here is a Play Auditor. We put the page and the threshold. This is performance 80, accessibility 80, and the pool is the same thing as this one. Okay, let me run a test. You say two tests is a pass. Here is a like performance metrics Playwright because I console log, so all of the score and here. So all the score pass. If I change this one, I want, let's say I gave the high score, what happened? I gave 90 and I save, run again. Okay, it's also pass. This is good. But if I give the high more than this one, probably fail. Okay, here is a fail. Okay, and the first one is pass. And we see what is the fail. Let me see. You see here is like this for the golf course because is you see here is golf course is a page is a test is fail because I gave the high of the performance and so this one you see here is performance this one but this one is fail. Yeah, because this is just 80 but is under 90. Okay, under 90, so is fail this one. Thank you for watching the video. Hope today's content can help you. If you want to follow us, our updates, please subscribe. See you next time.